Hi everyone, this is Donnie from Redstor here. I hope you're doing well today. By now you should be on Redstor Pro version 18.9, and if you haven't done so already, please upgrade to ensure that you have the latest features. Among lots of other bells and whistles, we've recently added the ability to back up Oracle databases, do full system recovery directly to VMware, as well as support for Linux 6. Let's take a look at version 18.10. This is the first release that contains our new system report functionality, which will make life for your support engineers so much easier. This report contains the backup schedule and the backup selection, as well as relevant system information for each backup, including the operating system, installed software, and any updates and hotfixes. We've also significantly improved performance when you back up a large number of files in a single folder. If you'd like to see a sneak preview of version 18.10 and give us some feedback, feel free to download the beta version for power users, which will be available a little bit earlier on the 9th of October. Otherwise, I'd like to remind you that we'll be releasing version 18.10 of our software on the 18th of October, so please make sure to watch your inbox for the download link. Looking towards the rest of 2018, our developers are working hard to add more functionality to the cloud-to-cloud backups for OneDrive, with SharePoint backup scheduled to be out of beta by December. If you want more information on any of these features, or you would just like to take a peek at our roadmap, you're welcome to leave a comment on the support portal or speak to your Redstor account manager. We love to hear from our customers. That's it from me. Until next time.